sketching linear graphs using intercepts. Now, just remember, to draw a straight line, we need 2 points. Any 2 points will give us a unique line that you can draw. So in the first chapter, what we looked at, or the previous videos, is if you have an intercept, then you can use the gradient to find a second point so that you can draw a graph. Now we're going to see by using the intercepts. Now the intercepts, you always have to remember the following. My y-intercept, that point, is always where x equals 0. So this point is where x is 0. So my y-intercept, where the line goes from my y, is where x is 0. So to find my y-intercept, I'm always going to say y-intercept is where x equals 0, and we're going to substitute 0 into our equation. The same way, my x-intercept is always where y is 0. So my x-intercept is always where y is 0. So to find the x-intercept, I will substitute 0, y equals 0 into my equation and find out what is my x value. If my graph goes through if my graph goes through the origin, so let's say x and y intercept equals 0, and it goes in through, let's say like that. I now only have 1 point. My x and y intercept 0, I only have 1 point. What I want to do is I want to find another point on this graph, and remember what the graph is. If I have any equation, that is all possible answers for my equation. So all I need to do is find any value for x or for y. So I can say when x equals 2, put in the value where x equals 2, find out what is the y value there, and then I have a second point. So when it goes through 0, 0, what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute a value for x and find y. I then will have a coordinate point. I have 2.00 and the new point, and I can draw my graph through there.